In the bustling world of content creation, success is often built on strategic and consistent effort. Knowing your audience is where it all begins. Understand who they are, what they like, and the platforms they frequent. Tailoring your content to their preferences forms a strong connection. Authenticity is your next powerful tool. In a space crowded with content, being genuine helps you stand out. Show your true self, share your unique voice, and never be afraid to be real with your followers. Consistency is key. Achieving a high-quality content flow on a regular schedule keeps your audience engaged and eager for more. This often means committing to a content calendar and sticking to it, ensuring that each piece you produce is polished and aligns with your overall vision. Staying up to date with trends can give you an edge. Whether it's the latest Instagram feature or a viral TikTok challenge, hopping on current trends can boost visibility. But remember to align these trends with your brand's message. Leveraging multiple platforms allows you to reach a broader audience. It's not just about being on Instagram or YouTube. Consider podcasts, blogs, and even emerging platforms to capture diverse demographics. Finally, engaging with your followers cements your presence in their lives. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and create interactive content like polls or Q&A sessions. This not only builds community but also fosters loyalty. By implementing these strategies, knowing your audience, being authentic, maintaining consistency, staying trendy, leveraging multiple platforms, and engaging actively, content creators can navigate the dynamic digital landscape more effectively, fostering growth and achieving sustained success. The path to success in content creation is vibrant, exciting, and above all, attainable with the right approach.